New to investing? SoFi can help. Let's start by going over some of the basics. There are 2 ways you can choose to invest your money. Auto investing, where you contribute money at regular intervals, and SoFi builds you a diversified portfolio based on your financial goals. This is great if you want a set it and forget it approach. And active investing, where you're in full control and free to choose stocks and ETFs yourself. No matter which method you choose, you'll need to open a SoFi Invest account to start. Before you know it, you'll be investing without paying all of the expensive commissions that run-of-the-mill brokerages usually charge. A common theme you'll hear is to diversify your investments. Having a diverse portfolio may help protect against market volatility. An easy method is to be sure to invest in stocks of different types of companies and industries. Or even easier, invest in a variety of ETFs that already group companies for you. Want to invest in a pre-built portfolio? Automating your investments can be a fast, easy way to kickstart your investing using a portfolio that we build for you, without charging a SoFi management fee. Choose from managed portfolios broken down by how much or how little risk you want to take. We take the stress out of investing by helping you with the hardest parts: goal setting, rebalancing, and building a diversified portfolio. You can also buy stock bits or fractional shares of stocks. This means you can buy a piece of your favorite stocks for as little as $1. Investing shouldn't be scary and complicated, and with SoFi Invest, you can invest with ease, no matter your experience level. To get started, download the SoFi app or visit SoFi.com.